What's up, guys? Welcome back. Something a little bit different today. Michael Jackson's Moonwalk. So this is like, it's a full body, so you gotta like sacrifice a little bit of detail on the face and all that kind of thing. So it's from a silhouette, but I'll draw, yeah, maybe a good bit of his face and his ear and stuff. But you probably won't see his eyes because of the hair and maybe a bit of a shadow and all that kind of thing. So I'm gonna start up here with his hat. Now, length of a human body, he's kind of hunched over, but I'd say like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5 heads. So just if you're wondering like how, if the head is this much, how much of the rest of your page do you need? If you run out of room, tape a page. That's what I always used to do. I would tape an extra page down here and it would work out fine. But we're up here anyway. You could always do it smaller than your page or even than what I'm doing. So I'll zoom in. We'll start with his nose. So we'll go with this sort of letter L or a 7 sort of sticking out. And he does have quite a pointy nose just going that way. And then this goes back up underneath his hat at the top. You might see a nostril just there. Right, so his top lip. And we're just sort of doing a general top lip face shape. Bottom lip. It's kind of like a letter M. And then the chin. And we'll just put his mouth in there as well, just a little bit. And then his jaw goes that way. And then we'll join like his neck. So we get like Adam's apple. And then his jaw will stay going up towards his ear, just up this way. Let me get his ear in here. And then there's all this wavy sort of hair hanging down. So his hat comes across this. Around. Down this way. So then the rest of his hair, so he's got it like tied up in a bun at the back of his head. There's all like wavy black lines that come down. this stuff coming down over his eye as well in here. And then even hanging down this side. Right, and then the hat, the top of it, just going around here. And then it has this on it. So that's all I'm going to do for his head, right? So you don't need to do much more than that. Then we get the jacket. So like his shoulders are kind of hunched up. So we have a collar just here on the neck. Starting that way. So it's a suit jacket and a white tee. So it just goes that way. And then the white collar of his t-shirt. And it ripples its way down, tucked into his belt. This will go like underneath his hand here, so his shoulder comes back this way and down. So his suit, shoulder line, it's down like that. And then we get some jacket lines and like some faux lines on his sleeve and all that good stuff. And we just do 3 buttons on the jacket. I think there's like a pocket here maybe. So there's like a hand in here, so we can see the sleeve of his shirt sticking out. And then, so he's like, his index and his pinky finger are out, so it's like that. So it goes down, around for the knuckle. And that way, and they're bumpy things, fingers, so you know they don't have to be straight. We get these 2 curved over. Then his pinky sort of sticking out on this side. And that's all we can kind of see of his fingers, really. And the belt is here. And then it's all about the legs. So, and like 1 foot up and 1 flat. So doing the moonwalk. So his trousers just down here, and very like, you can see his ankles, you know, the white socks. And there's like a white stripe that comes down the side of the leg as well. And you can put as many folds on his pants as you want. And the other back leg, so it just comes down here. It's the inside seam of his leg and some folds, like so. Right, so the shoes. So no laces and just these sort of bumpy socks. So that's like the tongue of it. Then we go around to the back of the heel. And then this one. People told me. I can't start singing, like I just want to sing Michael Jackson songs, but we'll get the copyright police. And just this shoe's pointing down. We've been listening to a lot of Michael Jackson in my house recently. What a legend he was. We'll put some like kicking up some dirt back here, like the heel flicks up, you know. Alrighty, MJ, Moonwalk. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.